Hi guys, this lesson is a spelling lesson, vowel patterns, A-U, A-U-G-H, O-U, O-U-G-H. The spelling words with this pattern are because, would, thought, though, author, should, taught, could, faucet, bought, enough, daughter, touch, sausage, and brought. Once again, you can repeat after me. Because, would, thought, though, author, should, taught, could, faucet, bought, enough, daughter, touch, sausage, brought. Now, when you have a look at these words, we have the words with AU pattern. The AU pattern is pronounced augh, because. Where is AU pattern? Right here. Faucet, faucet. And right here, sausage. AU has a sound of augh, sausage. Now we're going to AUGH. Wherever you see AUGH, the AUGH stands for O sound. T, O, T, taught. And right here, daughter. AUGH stands for O sound. When you have OUGH, like right here, also stands for the O sound. Th, O, T, thought. The O, though. And right here, where is it? Let me see here. B, O, T, bought. And here, B, R, O, T, brought. Now, when you have OU, it is a little bit different. Because right here, where is OU, the L should be silent and the sound of the OU becomes O. Would, should, could. But right here, when you have OU, the sound of OU is up, touch. And here, enough. So the OU has a special sound. Sometimes we say it oop, like in the word would, and sometimes we say it ah, like in the word touch. Now let's go to the meanings of the words, okay? We know what it means because if you're telling the reason why you did something, you will say, because I was very tired. Because. Would. Would is past tense of word will. I would go to the beach. I will go to the beach. Fought is past tense of the verb fight or battled for something. Fight or battled. Please, I fought with my friend, or my sister fought with me. It means fight, past tense of word fight. Though. Though is used as word however. I completed my homework even though I was very tired. Even though is used however. Author, it's a person who writes the stories. We know that. Should is the past tense of shall. We should study for the test. We shall study for the test. Taught is the past tense of the verb teach. My mom taught me to be a good boy. It also means gave instructions of the lessons. When the teacher gives you instructions in the class, she is teaching you. So taught, past tense of the verb teach, or gave instructions of the lesson. Could. Could means that you are able to do something, like I could run very fast. I could complete the test on time. That means you were able to do it. Faucet. Faucet is a water tap. The water tap on the sink. When you want to wash your hands, you will switch on and off the water tap, which is called faucet. Bought is very easy. It's a past tense of the word buy. Enough, we know what means enough. All that was needed, like I had enough of money to buy a gift. I have enough of homework to do. All that was needed, more than it was needed. Daughter, it's opposite of son. If your mom has a son and also a female child, that female child we call daughter. Touch. Touch means to put your hand on something to feel. Very simple. Don't touch hot surfaces. It is really hot. You should not touch it. Sausage. Sausage is kind of meat. I will show you on the picture on the next page. And brought is a past tense of the verb bring. My mom brought me a gift. Now you have sentences right here. See, I should study for the test. I should study. Past tense of shall, should. I am still hungry even though I ate everything on the plate. Even if I ate everything on the plate. Though means also if. Who is the author of that story? Author means the writer, the person who writes the story. Adam and Layla fought for the remote control. Fought is the past tense of fight. She took out the umbrella because it was raining. Why? Because it's a word that is used to tell the reasons why something happens. Here we have would. Would you like to read the story? Would is past tense of will. We could go to the beach this weekend. Could, it's a past tense, or sorry, it means to be able to do something. We could go, we could do it, we are able to do it this weekend. And the teacher taught us a very important lesson. The teacher taught us. Past tense of teach is taught. Here we have word brought. The postman brought the mail. Brought is the past tense of bring. Sally bought a new toy. Bought is the past tense of buy. And this is a sausage. I don't like to eat sausage. Adam has enough money, more than he needs. Enough. Dad needs to fix the broken faucet. See, that is a faucet. The water tap. What is a faucet? The water tap. Do not touch the cactus. Touch means to put the finger on something, put your hand on something. Do not touch. And my daughter is cute. This is the mother and this is the female child. The female child is called daughter. Now, if we can please all of us open the book on page 343, we will solve it together. Actually, you will solve it alone. I will read for you all of the instructions and then you will get the answers on the next page, okay? Let's do. If you don't know any answers, just skip the question and you will get the answers on the next page. It's okay. Let's go. Number 1. Write the list word that fits the clue. Which word means gave instructions? Like the teacher, she gave instructions of the lessons. So which word means gave instructions? Gave instructions. Think about it. Okay. Number 2. Which word means bottled for something? Bottled. Bottled means fight, but in the past tense. So which word means fight in the past tense. Please choose from the box right here. Fight, but in the past tense. Number 3, writer of articles or stories. Who is the writer who writes articles and stories? Choose the word from the box. Number 4, which word means opposite of the word sun? Son, or also a female child. Number 5, which word means paid for something? If you go to canteen and you paid for something, what did you do in canteen? Write your answer. If you need more time to complete your answers, you can pause the video and then continue again. I will read number 6. Write the missing list word to complete each sentence, please. The sentence must be you need to add the missing word right here to make the sentence a sensible sentence. NJ likes cheese and on his crackers. NJ likes to eat cheese and he likes to eat something else on his crackers. Choose your answer from the box. What is something that we can eat? Number 7, we not swim after eating. When you eat a lot, I don't think that you are able to swim. Which word means able to do something? We not swim after eating. Number 8, my mom made salad for 10 people. 10 people, it's a lot. So mom needs to make a lot of salad. Which word fits this sentence? Number 9, we won the game of good defense. Our team had a good defense. This is a football match, of course. We had a good defense, and that's why we won the game. Which word is missing word right here? We won the game of good defense. Number 10, Andrea got water from the When you need a water, you can take the water from the sink. You need to switch on and off this thing. Write the answer here. 11, on fitness day, I a jump rope to school. On a fitness day, I a jump rope to school. Number 12, the blanket is soft to blanket. If you do this, it feels really nice and soft. What do you do to feel it, how soft it is? Write the answer right here. Number 13, if we practice, we be great. If we practice, we be great. 14, we need the key to get inside. However, the word is missing right here. It has the same meaning as however. And 15, I love to watch that program. I have not seen that program yet. In the future, I love to watch that program. Okay, I hope you did not cheat because here are the answers. Please check your answers and see how many mistakes did you make. Number 1, taught. Number 2, fought. Number 3, author. Number 4, daughter. 5, bought. Number 6, sausage. Number 7, could. Number 8, enough. Number 9, because. Number 10, faucet. 11, brought. 12, touch. 13, should. 14, though. And 15, would. How many mistakes did you get? I hope not many. Okay, let's go to the next page. Now this page is page 375. What do you need to do right here, please? You do the same. Find the word from the box here that means the same or almost the same as this phrase right here. And you will write the answer in the boxes here. I will read it fast. Let's go. Which word means writer? Write the answer here. Writer, a person who writes the story. Now, which word means a meat? A meat that people eat. Some people don't like to eat it, but some people do. What do we call that kind of meat? Write your answer right here. Number 3, which word means able to do something? Able to do something. Choose the answer from the box and write it here. Next one, please. Number 4, which word means female child? Female child. If you're a boy, you are a son to your mom. But if you're a girl, you are female child. What are you for your mom? Write your answer here. Female child. Number 5, all that was needed. All that was needed. Choose the word from box. And number 6, water tap. Which word means a water tap, which we switch on and switch off to get the water. Choose your answer. Now, when you read the word, the letters that are in the shaded box, it will give you the answer to this question. What is a skunk worth? And here you will have the answer. It's a joke. Now, write the list word that begins and ends with the same letters as each word shown. Look here. We have the word bright. Look here, bright. Can you see? Now, the word bride begins with B and ends with T. Which word from the list begins with B and ends with T? It is bought. So you go write bought right here, number 7. One more example you have here, bone. Bone begins with B and ends with E. Which word from the list word begins with B and ends with E? Right here, word because. It begins with B and ends with E. So you will write right here, number 8, because. Now this is your turn. Look at the beginning sound and ending sound. World begins with W, ends with D. Saved begins with S, ends with D. Trench begins with T, ends with H. An altar begins with A and finishes with R. Please choose the words from the box that have the same beginning and endings as these words. If you need more time, you can pause the video and then continue again, because I am going to give you the answers. Let's go. Find the answers on the next page and see if you were correct. Did you check your answers? I hope you didn't make too many mistakes, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Okay? You did it. Enjoy your day today. Have fun. Bye.